Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today is 2020, May 26. Wow, you know, it's already end of the May, right? And we already almost passed half of the year of 2020. It's a bad day, bad year in 2020 in terms of this virus, but the financial market still gives us a lot of earning potential. Okay, so here is the one that which I said in last week. We noticed the Kiwi has already shoots up, and we are using the Aussie dollar as a leading indicator of Kiwi. Okay, because when we compare these two plays, you can easily find that the Aussie has already touched into this area, but the Kiwi hasn't. Okay, and that's why I suggest to buy the Kiwi to capture this gain. Okay, it looks small in the chart because I split into half of the screen, but if you go find of the pips, okay, it's actually quite good trade, because if you take this inside bar breaks up, you can see here the correct entry should be this 0.61. The correct stop should be about 0.6080, which is about only 30 pips. In 30 pips stop loss, we actually capture 110. Okay, 110 pips. So this is an excellent trade if you buy this inside bar breaks up. Okay, and if the target goes to 0.6273, we are going to have a very nice trade, about 5 to 1. Okay, 5 to 1 reward and risk ratio. Okay, and now let's see what do we have for the Aussie dollar. Okay, we can still use the same theory that when the Aussie goes up, the Kiwi goes up as well, right? So if we observe the Aussie can goes to this level, what do you think of Kiwi? What do you think? Hello? Anyone? Do you think that the Aussie bullish trend goes to 0.70, and what will happen to Kiwi? Yeah, it will eventually will catch up to 0.67. Okay, and the beautiful thing is when you trade the Kiwi dollar, your base currency is NZD, right? And there's only 0.62, which means you trade one lot size. Okay, you only need 62,000 USD as your capital. And if your leverage is 100 times, okay, to open this one lot trade, you only need 620 US dollar. Do you understand? That's the beauty of the Kiwi dollar, because Kiwi is the cheapest currency. Okay, right? Of course, we know the yen is also very cheap, but the Kiwi is really very cheap. It's only 62% of $1. Okay, so base currency is Kiwi dollar, one lot size 100,000 Kiwi, which is only equals to 62,000 US dollar. And if our leverage is on 100 times, we only need $620 to open one trade. If you want to trade one lot of Swiss franc, you need 1,000. Understand? You don't know why up, because Kiwi and Aussie moves in the same direction. Okay, Aussie already forms a very nice V shape, okay, and keeps bullish momentum to the previous high. Okay, so if the Aussie goes up, the Kiwi will definitely catch up. Okay, and the good thing is you actually need very, very little capital to open one lot of Kiwi dollar. You only need $620. But if you trade other pairs like euro, like sterling, you need 1,000 as your margin. Okay, so if the Kiwi can rally to 0.67, oh my God, that is 500 pips. and your the base currency is Kiwi, so the profit calculating currency is US dollar. Okay, so if we win 500 pips, okay, each pip, 1 pip means $10 per lot. Okay, the potential gain is 5,000 US dollar. Okay, so let me just put this to you. Potential gain is 5,000 US dollar. So compare this. Okay, your margin requirement is only 620, and you're going to win 5,000 US dollar for this trade. Do you think it is a very, very good idea? Do you think this is a very good business to capture this gain? Anyone? Yeah, it's actually give you, you just require less money to open one lot, but you can earn 5,000 US dollar, okay? And where's our stop? Stop should be put at here, okay? If you put your stop as your, if you enter here like 0.61, you only risk 30 pips. Basically means you only risk $300, okay? Okay, $300 for 5,000 potential. Okay, but if you want to buy now, you have to set your stop loss below the 1 hour chart. Okay, I think this is a good place to set your stop, which is 0.6169. Okay, so now we have this. Okay, about our 40 pips risk. So if you open one trade, you are going to risk $400. So $400 risk to exchange of 5,000 US dollar. I think that's good. That's really good. Okay, so why not? Let's just took the trade of Kiwi, or you continue hold your Kiwi all the way to the previous high. Okay, because when you explore what happened to dollar index, okay, this is very, very interesting. The dollar index looks like it's going to break, okay, break this triangle and all the way go back to 96. Okay, it failed to break 100. As I said, 100 is a very, very strong resistance for the dollar, and if they break the edge of this lower edge, okay, it will open more room for downside. So this is the whole idea of why we want to continue to hold our Kiwi trade. Okay, let's go for the gold. The gold are, I think in last week I mentioned that the gold, okay, touched the 618 level, and it's going back to 1720, and the 1720 is very good entry for a buy, and then it comes to this level again. Okay, so in the price action, it tells me, okay, there is a downtrend line, a supporting line at the bottom side, and there is also a trend line at the upside. So what does this look to you? What do you think? What is this pattern? Let me just show you in 4-hour chart. This is a pattern that we are so familiar with. It's actually a flag, right? It's a flag. Okay, this is a flagging pole. This is a flag. Okay, so you can wait for the flag to break up and go and retest and go up. Okay, you can also directly buy with this beautiful structure here about 1720. Okay, yeah, the lowest price is 1715. So as long as the gold can hold above 1710, okay, we are bullish of gold, and you can buy more if you see this breakout happen and retest. Okay, so let's go for 1-hour chart. Okay, you can see this very, very good candle already formed, right? This is pink bar here testing the previous structure but cannot break new low. Okay, so we can, based on this pink bar, we can buy the gold. Let's go to 50 minutes charts. It's also a pink bar. 5 minutes charts. Okay, 5 minutes charts is interesting. Okay, we see this previous bottom here. Okay, this is structure here, breakdown, retest, and the seller already tried their best. Okay, listen carefully. Seller already tried their best to push down the price. Can you see that? Okay, Because some students may ask, hey, Jack, isn't the gold breaks a very important support? Yes, it is, okay? And the seller did try their best, okay, retest and goes down, push the price to $7 away from this structure, and then the price all the way come back. So this tells me, okay, the bulls are going to attack, okay? The bull are going to attack after the seller's completion point. The bull will come in here, and that's why you see an engulfing candle here, and now this 5 minutes is coming back, so it's good to buy the gold right now. Okay, put your stop loss below 1714. That's enough. Okay, because all you need to do is to watch this level. As long as gold is above this level, we are bullish, and the gold is easily to go into 1745. Okay, this is what I feel, because this place referring to previous structure is here. Okay, the gold will going back to this place, okay, before it goes down again or before it rallies again. Okay, so anyway, this is a very good price to buy the low and sell the high. Buy the low here about 1710, 1714. Okay, aim to the previous pivot point at 1745. Understand? Anyone? If no questions, I will just pass on, okay, to move to the next pair for the gold. Okay, just watch this level. If this level sustain, buy the gold. Okay, you can use all your tools to buy the gold, being like a double bottom maybe. Okay, a second try, but it cannot break the new low. This will be the very good place to buy. Okay, this could be the first place to buy, or you can wait for the double bottom formed. Okay, retest again, you can buy it again. Okay, you can wait for the trend line to be broken. Okay, trend line broken, pull back, buy. You can wait for the price to go rally and make new high, and the structure breakout and pull back, buy. Okay, so I will let me just give you this 3 potential buy mark, so everyone should understand what you should do with gold. Good? Are we good? So far clear? If yes, you can give me 5. Okay, reply me by 5, then I will just carry on to the next trade. So as trader, we have to identify those important structure, okay, so that we can rely on it. We can make some trades because of this structure, okay, and combine with those price actions so that we can have a high potential winning trade, okay, and it's also high reward and risk trade, okay, all the way aim to 1745. Okay, so this is what I feel for the gold. Okay, let's move on to euro. The euro, what's very, you can see here, it gives a very nice pullback to almost 618%. However, it didn't really touch. Okay, perhaps it actually using this wedge, okay, this point as the previous low, as a swing low, swing high, and you'll get this 618. But if you use the overall low here, you may miss the entry by about 10 pips. However, we are not only waiting for the 618, we can also base on the price action, which is a pin bar here. Okay, the price continue fall, falls close to 618 and falls close to the previous structure here. We can identify this structure here, right? And it forms a pin bar in by an engulfing candle, and that's the place you should go kick in your trade. The best time, and also it shows an inside bar. So this, I want you guys to memorize this this example, because let me just count for you. Okay, so pin bar, a bullish pin bar. This is 1, and then this is an engulfing candle, and here 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is actually an inside bar. So all these 3 price action together with the 618 level at the very near place, okay, you actually have 1, 2, 3 reasons for enter a buy of euro. Do you agree? If you agree, give me 6. Yeah, so this is a very, very good example of how you combine the strategy of price action with Fibonacci, okay, with the previous structure, okay. So this is actually a 3-in-1 trade. It's actually a 3-in-1 trade. Okay, we are using the structure, we are using the Fib, we are using the price action. So now you actually have some feeling, okay. Almost 99% of those successful trades that I give previous years, okay, if one trade have these three, okay, structure, Fibonacci, price action, have these three coming to one, and both all of the reason, okay, supporting this buy, you should go for it, and the result is actually very good. Okay, so use all the information that you get to give you some confidence, okay, of doing this trade. Okay, trade what you see, trade what you see. Okay, that is very good. And if you go enter it by 1.0897, now you already earned 100 pips. Is that cool? All right. So let's continue, move on to the daily chart. Okay. So this is tells us the euro really finds the bottoms from here 1.08. Okay. Now the price looks like it's going to break the previous peaks here. And I think upon break this point, because Aussie already makes new high, I think euro is going to make new high again. So I think the price will be very easily to touch the 618, which is 1.1167, and it may even goes higher to 1.13. Okay, to go to this place. Okay, so this is our job to capture this gain of euro. Marcel says potential 2618 oil 5 minutes ping. Can we review? Sure, let's go for oil. I'm explaining euro and you asked me to get your oil, right? Seems like you only focus on oil. Okay, so oil here, we have this one top and we have this two top, and combined with this shooting ping bar, it actually tells us, yeah, the oil is very, very hard to go beyond 34.50, which is also the previous structure. Okay, let's just see that. Let's just put a horizontal line here. Okay, you can see the 34.70 in the previous is right at this structure. Okay, pin bar. Okay, reversal, inside bar breaks down. Okay, retest failed, all the way goes down. Okay, so this is a very, very strong resistance level, and it looks like the oil fails to maintain this uptrend of the 1 4-hour chart. Okay, it keeps going up, and now comes a pin bar in 4-hour, and price makes a new low. Okay, makes a lower low, and now it's retesting. Let's go to 5-minute charts. And Russell says this is double top. Okay, yeah, I agree with you. This is double top, and you should actually go for this sell, because if you measure the Fibonacci level from this pin bar, okay, it is a very, very easy trade for you to sell the 618 level, and if you go for that, you already earn about 170 pips, and now it is below the neckline. Okay, so yeah, you can consider sell the oil right now. I agree with you, Russell. Have you already entered? Have you already entered the oil short trade? In this case, I won't wait for the 618, okay? Because the 618 already pulled back to form the double top. Now the neckline was broken, retest, okay? Failed to break new high, just going down. Yeah, you can re-enter. You can re-enter now for other students as well, okay? If you failed to capture the first ping here, you fail to capture this ping, you fail to capture the second ping, and now it's a place for you to sell it again, okay? Because it breaks 134.15, break this level, okay? It's good for us to capture a resell, capture sell, retest this level, and all the way aim to the previous low, which is 33.50 here. I think that is open a very good space for us, okay, to give us a high reward and risk ratio trade. Okay, all right, let's move on. So I want to highlight that the oil, okay, the oil may have a major correction from here, okay, if the price failed to go above 36, okay, it may have a very major correction maybe going back to 20 or 21 level, because the same thing happened again, happened before. Okay, you can just make use of this level, okay, something like this. Okay, the oil after making a new low, okay, and the oil keeps going up, and then it actually failed to break this resistance and start to sideways, okay, sideways, and then break down, and all the way goes down. Okay, so the oil, get ready, it may have another fall, and it's definitely not a good place for us to capture buy at this higher place. If we want to buy, I will suggest to wait for the 618. Okay, the 618 almost give us a very good entry, which is about 17.36. Okay, so if oil go back to 17.36, I will be interested to make another buy and hold for another rally. Okay, because you have to assume, okay, the recent rally, okay, may maybe end here. It may end here. So after this rally was end, it may goes down to 38.6 and 618. All right. Okay. Of course, we do have another scenario, okay, which is when oil goes up 36.28. If a very strong bullish candle occurs, we have to use this place to pull back and buy. All right, this is scenario 2. Right, the scenario 1 is it may goes down here. Okay, so we may sell by the 1 hour charts, this pink bar. Okay, we may capture this sell right now. Okay, but we have to make another alternative plan, which is if the oil goes up and it breaks 36.42, of course the first shorting trade should be end here. Your stop loss should be put above 34.80. Okay, to make sure you don't risk all your money into this one trade, you have to set your stop loss very clear at here. Break new high, we let go. Okay, and if you wait for the bullish bar, break 36.28, pull back, you have to buy. That's another plan. Okay, easy. All right, good. So let's go for dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen daily chart. Okay, looks found some support as I mentioned, the 105.87. This level. Okay, so and it breaks the trend line as well. And what you should do, you should actually buy the pullback. Okay, buy the pullback. So we can use the 618 again. But let's measure the 618 here. It tells me 106.79. Okay, so if dollar yen can give you 106.79, you can consider to buy dollar yen. Okay, and aim higher. Aim higher. Okay, dollar yen is basically is sideways. It's sideways, but it may have a pullback. Okay, to retest this pivot. Sterling. Okay, sterling has a very nice rally today. Let's go for 4-hour chart. We have this beautiful Marubozu bar here. Okay, breaks this minor resistance and then keeps rallying. And into 1-hour chart, there's a lot of many inside bar trading idea here. Okay, if you trade this inside bar up, okay, you're good. If you trade this inside bar up, you're also good. Okay, so the inside bar is here to help you to participate in a very strong bullish trend. Okay, so when inside bar breaks up, you're just risking a very minimum money, and you can capture a lot of gain. And by the way, sterling has already break the trend line. Okay, so the best entry point should be here. Okay, should be here. Why? Okay, because when this candle shows, it tells me break trend line. Okay, you can always use the break trend line, pull back to 618. Okay, you can use this 618 1.2179 as your entry. Okay, put your stop loss below 1.2161, and you are getting this much. Okay, do you copy? This is a very good entry. You close. Can we re-enter sterling? Yeah, find some structure, find another inside bar. Okay, now what you should do, you go for 4-hour chart. Okay, where is the structure? Yeah, it's here. Use this previous 2 ping as a reference of structure. So as long as sterling is above 1.23, we are bullish, and if the price can come back to this zone, we want to buy. All right. So go to 30-minute charts. Yes. Have you see that? There is a very strong big green candle here. Okay. So all you need to do is set your stop loss below this candle. Okay. Find whatever pullback you have to go in, to go for a trade. You can use a 618 in the small range, okay, like 1.2294. You can use the structure here, like 1.23, okay, up to you, okay. So find your entry, find your stop loss, determine your stop loss, then calculate the position size and go for this trade. Sunny. You have to find some new patterns for you to re-enter, okay? Otherwise, yeah, it's hard for you to have another win. Okay, and you look left, the structure, yeah. Okay, 1.2295. Oh, good. Why not? Why not using the structure here? It's very clear, right? Previous neckline. Okay, double bottoms, neckline broken, retest. Okay. Okay, let's go for daily chart of sterling and see what do we have. Okay, we have the first swing, okay, from the previous low here after a correction move, and now it starts to go for a new higher high. Okay, so this could be a bullish sign, right? Because sterling has already break. Okay, it's almost going to break this trend line. I think the trend line is going to break. Okay, so if price can breaks up, pulls back, go for it. It will open another big rally for you guys. Big rally, yeah. I think sterling will eventually goes back to 1.30. 1.30, okay, going back to this zone. So now it's 1.2345. We still have about 600 pips, okay? So find pullback to capture. That will be a very cool trade. Yeah, remember the fundamental shows dollar will be weak. Okay, dollar will be weak. So sterling, yeah, go for it. It's just like last time, okay? How it actually rallied from 1.22 to 1.35, okay? 1,300 pips. Do you think the same history will happen again? Yeah, like that, like last time? Or maybe we will have this ABCD patterns, okay? This ABCD patterns may also implies the sterling will have a very strong rally to 1.33. Oh man, do you want to go for this trade? Yeah. Tell me, what's your choice? What's your opinion? Shall we go for this profit? If yes, okay, then go to smaller time frame, okay, find good price actions, find good patterns to kick in the trade. That's it. So simple. Okay. Aussie, okay, continue goes up. So we are still holding our longs of Aussie last time here, okay, and Aussie is likely to break the new high of this ping, okay. So if 0.67 was broken, I think the Aussie will go back to 0.70, okay. Aussie, we can aim for 0.70. There's no major resistance along this 4, okay. The only resistance comes here, maybe about a 0.6848. Okay? I think it will come to 0.70 eventually. Okay, dollar Canadian. Okay, dollar Canadian breaks down. It breaks down. Okay, so let's go for sell. okay, you can sell dollar Canadian because Canadian dollar is going to rally against dollar. So this is a very good trade. This is what we aim, we prepare for almost 2 months since March. Okay, so 1.3850 was broken. Okay, the whole area, okay, is now underwater. Okay, all those buyers who bought above 1.3850 are trapped. So these people are going to stop, are going to cut their loss. So that power will actually push the dollar Canadian to 1.34 of this gap. Yep. So don't waste this opportunity to capture a dollar Canadian short. It's very clear. Okay. Clean and clear trade. Break down. Okay. Fail to go back. Maintain below 1.3850. Go for sell. Stop loss at this red candle's high. Yeah. And enjoy your profit. Anyone? Have you short the dollar Canadian? Or have anyone used the structure of this place to sell at an even higher place? You can use the structure, you can use the 618, okay, to give you a 2-in-1 trade. Okay, structure 618. If you short from 1.40, wow, you're good, man. All right. Okay, let's go for the SPX 500. Okay, we actually capture short from last time, which is here. Okay, and we capture short from here, and now I think the short was closed. Okay, because it breaks to 982. Okay, breaks to 982. We don't want to sell right now. Okay, so let's just observe what will the S&P do, but it already goes into this resistance area. So 1 hour chart, we may be interested to find any reversal patterns. Okay, so I think I will use this trend line. Good. Trend line was broken. Okay, 30-minute chart. Aha. Shall we? Shall we sell S&P right now? Reversal. Okay, it's a reversal pattern. Let's just sell the S&P. Stop loss about 30,026. Okay, and aim 3,000. Aim 2965. Okay. This is a beautiful wedge. The wedge was broken down, pulls back, failed. An engulfing candle shows. Okay, engulfing candle, retest. Yeah, go for it. I think the S&P is still okay to sell. Last but not least, the Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Okay, as I mentioned last time, I said we should close some profit of Bitcoin SPY at 10,000. Anyone remember this trade? I said in May goes down. The May goes down, right? And you see, yeah, it goes down. Okay, that's why I asked you guys to take some profit of your buy. Okay, and a good place for you to re-enter the Bitcoin trade will be about 7,600, about this level. So wait for the price to come back to this level and go for another rally. And this there is also a potential head and shoulder patterns or Libra patterns. Okay, and if we measure the 618, okay, about 66,172, but it may not go into that low. So I think I will just use 6,700 to 7,600. About I will use this zone to starting to buy the Bitcoin. Okay, so eventually it becomes something like this. Okay, this could be a head and shoulder patterns. Okay, and target will be about 13,000 or 14,000. So my goal is to capture this gain. Okay, and I hope that you guys don't forget this trade when the Bitcoin dropped to about 7K or 6,600. Any questions? Yeah, for those who want to sell, who want to short Bitcoin, yeah, go for it. You can sell the Bitcoin because we can take a short. Okay, the neckline was broken. Okay, and the price failed to maintain above the structure. Okay, so go for it. You can take a sell first, and then take your profit of short and go for a buy. All right. All right. I think we have covered almost all the products. Any other pairs you want me to look at it? Yeah, you can just type which pair you want me to look, and I will give you some hint. Anyone? Okay, I will just answer three. Okay, so number one, Euro Yen. Okay, good. Go for it. Euro Yen up is a bullish trend. Okay, Euro Yen is up, upside. Okay, price already made a the Euro Yen has already made a. Okay, what is this? This is actually a head and shoulder pattern, right? It's head and shoulder. Okay, neckline was broken. Okay, go for a buy. Go for a buy of Euro Yen. Yeah, the Euro Yen I think will go up at least. Okay. Oh, that's crazy. The Euro Yen will go to 123 at least. It may rally to 128. That is the second target of this long swing trade. Okay, so you can enter Euro Yen. Okay, aim 123, aim 128. S&P already covered. S&P I just covered 5 minutes ago. No, I don't think it will pull back like dollar yen because euro will be strong. Okay, so if euro is strong, it will actually brings up of euro yen. Okay, if dollar yen continue to sideways, okay, the euro dollar move up will actually boost euro yen as well. So I don't think the euro yen may have another pullback. It's hard for the euro yen to pull back. Okay, and I noticed some of the students mentioned that you want to sell the euro yen, correct? All right. Basically, you want to sell the euro yen of this structure of the previous high. Okay, you may go for it. Okay, bear in mind 117.80 is a very important support right now. Okay, your short can only aim to this level. Okay, because if the price cannot break this low of this structure, it's hard for it to go down. Okay, so a quick sell, but long-term rally, remember? Because this weekly chart tells you, yes, the euro yen has already found their support. The support comes from 2016 of April is here. 115 is a very good price action of buy here. The euro yen already shows a weekly inside bar up. Okay, a bullish candle last week and still a bullish candle this week. I think the euro yen will go up. Yeah. Okay. It is difficult for it to decrease any more still above 34. What is that? It's difficult for it to decrease any more still above 34. Okay. Yeah. The thing is, okay, once you have already entered your trade, okay, you don't make any judgment. Okay, you don't make any other change. You just focus. Okay, as long as the oil is below 34.82, you can sell. Go for it. Okay, go for it. So set your plan and just let it go. This is what we call set and forget. Set and forget. Because you have already entered your trade. Why you should be worried? Hey, it is still above 34. It's hard for the oil to drop. It's none of your business, right? The market will just run by itself. You've already sell. If you have already entered your position, there's nothing you can do. It's not like you're You are wishing the price going down, or if the price didn't come down right now, you are so worried, and you just make this conclusion. Yeah, the oil is difficult for you to drop. Okay, don't do this. Okay, set and forget. We already sell. Okay, if you listen to my suggestion, you have already sell from 34.16, right? Okay, and put your stop loss above here, 34.60, and done. That's done. Your trade is done, and just wait for the price to go for then. Take your profit. That's it. We are traders. We are not analysts. Okay, and we are not some observers to to give some personal emotion feedbacks like, hey, it's hard for the oil to go down, or it's very easy for the oil to go up. It won't actually affect anything. Okay, remember? Yeah. Okay, so kicking your trade, okay, and just set and forget. Okay, when the oil goes down to like 33, okay, take some profit. That's what you need to do. Okay, so get ready to take some profit when the oil gives a profit level, or get ready to cut stop loss when the oil breaks new high. And in the past, okay, we don't have to worry about anything. Okay, and you don't need to change your trading plan, because the market will give you the two results: either give you a stop loss or give you a big win. Okay, that's it. That's the logic of trading. Okay, small risk, okay, high return, and you go for the trade with a pattern, with a reason, and that's enough. Okay, there's no magic of like wishing, like or curse. Okay, you curse the oil to go down, right? You don't. We are not shaman. Yeah. You don't need to change your mind, okay? Because okay, let me just tell you, okay, where is your stop loss? Okay, then where is the place that you need to change your mind? Okay, so remember of this. If you set your stop loss at previous high, for example, like 34.60, okay, and ask yourself why you should set your stop loss here. Because definitely we don't want to see a very strong bullish candle breaks new high, okay? Because we know that if the new high was created, the bullish trend still remains, and it may goes up even higher, correct? So that's why we put our stop loss here. Okay, it has two functions. The first function is cut your loss. Second is to change your mind. Okay, because something that doesn't align with your mind happen. That's why you need to change your plan. So your place that you need to change your mind has to be where is your stop loss. Okay, I hope everyone should understand this logic. Okay, this is the logic behind why we set a stop loss at the previous candle, because we don't want to see a very big ring candle to break new high. That's the main thing, right? So if the oil cannot take my stop loss, I will be fine to keep my short, because I will respect. We have to respect this breakdown. Am I right? Because if the oil are still very in a bullish market, why should oil goes down to make new low? Why? It's not good. It's not in line with the bullish trend. Bullish trend should be something like this, okay? Going up, pulls back, never break new low, goes up, okay? Okay? Right? This is a bullish trend. And this is a bullish trend. Going up, break down, okay? No lower low, new high, okay? Higher low, okay? Then should be higher high, but why? It's lower low. Why is lower low? Okay, so since we observe this lower low happens and the structure was broken, we are using this place to go for our short. And when should we realize that we are wrong? Is when the oil goes above 34.58. When the oil break up of this highest point of the red candle here. That's why we should put our stop loss at here. Not here, not here, because we won't change our mind if the price cannot make new high. Then still no bullish trend. All right. Are you going to put the recording in your YouTube? Yeah, I will. And I will do it like in 30 minutes after the webinar was finished, because the Zoom, we are using the Zoom to broadcast, and the Zoom needs take some time to convert the recording, and I will upload to YouTube as soon as possible. I think you just need to wait for like 40 minutes, then you can see this recordings. Okay. All right. You see, yeah, you don't need to be worried. It's very hard for the oil to drop. Who knows? You see this coming down. Am I right? Give me five. Give me five. You understand the logic. Okay. You can't do anything to control the market. So that's why you don't need to worry about it. Whether it goes down, goes up, okay, you just let it go. You just let the market run for you. But what you should act? Should you enter sell? Should you cut your stop loss? Should you take some profit? That's what you need to do. Okay. So we are traders. We only trade the market. Okay. Don't guess the market. Okay. Don't, okay, be emotional, okay, with the market. Okay, we only trade the market, and there will be only two results. Okay, either a stop loss, okay, of 2% or TP above 4%. That's it. We are soldiers. Okay, we make our decision to pull our trigger. Imagine you're a hunter. Okay, once you pull your trigger and the bullet was out of your gun, what can you do? What can you do to control the bullet? Can you tell the bullet, hey, I regret. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't want to shoot this target. Can you stop? No, the bullets won't listen to you, right? It's already something that you already make your decision. Okay, see, now it's dropping very well, right? Then now, what do you think? What do you think? Hey, the oil is so easy to fall, right? Should you change your mind like this? Okay, do you feel funny? Like just 1 minute ago, you are still, hey, it's very hard for oil to drop. Now the red candle comes and they say, oh yeah, it's easy for it to drop. My short is winning money, right? If you're doing something like this, you're actually not trading. You're just observing the candlestick up and down, right? But you forget, what is your goal? Your goal is to bring the money back to your home, right? Okay, to set your stop loss here to make the risk to in exchange of two times of risk. Okay, this is what is your goal. Okay, don't forget your goal. Focus. Okay, focus. All right, so this is what we should do. Okay, to become a very, very stable, very, very professional trader. Okay, and this is really matters. A lot of novice trader, a lot of new investors lose all their money because they are so emotional. They don't have any plan. They cannot rely on any good patterns, and they just trade randomly. And they will easily change their mind when the candlesticks go not in their favor. They will just change their mind. Hey, is it the market is that? Should I close all my profit? Should I just leave? Oh, I'm so worried. It may hit my stop loss. Let me just get off it. I'm enough. Okay, I'm enough. Enough of this. I cannot bear the floating loss anymore. Okay, let me just cut it. And once he cut it, okay, a big win comes, a big profit comes, and he just slapped himself. Oh my God, why should I do this? I'm like idiot. Okay, this happens over and over again because I see a lot of people doing those funny things. Okay, just remember, if you still remember the oil trade, which I give like 1 month ago, I said we should buy at 10, remember? Which I put in trading view here, okay? And guess what happened to those people who actually closed earlier, or who actually left the trade earlier because I think the oil had already going to the resistance, okay? It may fall. Let me just take another short and then just breaks up, okay? Lose of money. people have problems of execution of the trade, okay, naturally because of emotion. Yeah, you miss out the silver. So that's something you need to, okay, the silver has a very, very nice break up and pull back, okay? This is very, very good returns. And you should hold your trade, set your stop loss, and forget your trading plan just by setting your TP here like 17.64. Then automatically it will give you results, either a stop loss or a big win, okay? And that will give you an easy way, an easy life of trading. You don't need to worry. You don't need to change your mind so fast, like every 1 minute, okay? If you go to like 1 minute chart, yeah, it's going down. Okay, going down. Yeah, it's bearish. And then suddenly one candle comes, boom, shoots up like this. Oh yeah, it's bullish. Okay, doesn't make any sense. You're just you know, acting as an audience. Yeah, saying yeah, bullish, bearish, but you don't have any trading plan. Am I right? Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's all for today. I hope you already have a good webinar with me, right? And you took some trade of Kiwi. Okay, Kiwi still goes up. Okay, of Euro keeps going up. For like oil getting down, going down. Good. Yeah, nice trade. All right, that's all. Okay, and if you are interested to become a very good trader like me, or you want to learn all my strategy and my trading system, okay, you can go for harmonicasia.com to sign up for my course. Okay, I will give all I have. Okay, I will give all I have to help you to become a very good trader. And lots of traders has been benefited from this program. They are in my professional students group. Okay, and they are discussing the daily chart. Okay, every day, and I'm proud of them. Okay, and I do see their progress, and this is how you make your life different than before. How you stop losing money to the market, but you can somehow you can win back your money by trading professionally, right? Okay, so my YouTube channel will be youtube.com/Projack. Okay, all my recordings will be uploaded there, so you can watch it anytime. Okay, and don't forget to comment, to leave some comments if you want. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer your questions. Right? How many trades do you suggest to open at one time? Maximum 3. Maximum 3. Yeah. Madden says euro dollar posting group in good profit running. Yes. Euro. Yeah. Yesterday. Yes. Yesterday breaks neckline. Okay. Break, pull back buy. Okay. Very good. All right. So see you next time. Plan and trade and trade your plan. This is Jack. Okay. I'm here to help you to become a good trader. See you next time. Bye bye.